Hello everyone. Wow. Hello boys and girls. Welcome back to another episode of Squirtified Engineering Supra segment. I'm Sprutis, and if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing and pressing that bell button so you can stay up to date with all my different projects. So today I will be working more around the garage because I got a piece of wood to use for the workbench. So have a look at me and Sid cutting that. So what's left to do is cut it out to make it fit the actual spot. I will router the edges to make them a bit prettier and nicer, and then I will add some boat varnish. I don't want to paint it because the paint will be destroyed quite quickly, I think, but the boat varnish is supposed to be strong, so we will see. It's worth a try because I have a bit too much of that. So let's head to the garage and get started. I'm now in the room in the garage where we can do dirty work. So I've marked out where to cut everything. And for the long stretch here, I can use the fixture to make it a bit easier, and then the rest by hand. I think I will need to do the corners like here with the jigsaw. So I just need to set up light, and then I would get the cutting. First cut is done. I did what I could with what I have. So if I do anything in my own garage, or once I build my own garage, it would be a different way of working. But I think this will be fine in this garage. So I will see if it fits, and then on to the next step. So this piece fits. It's not pretty, but it will work. So the next thing is I will sand both surfaces, and I will use the router on this edge and this edge. And this is the router that I got to borrow from my dad, and I would use this radius bit. rounded off the edges. I did it all the way around, and the vertical edges here, so I don't get caught on anything. It's not perfect, so I will need to sand it so that the transition is good. So that's the next step. So I will say that this is finished. I need to sand the scuff marks on the construction, and then I will also add a few angle irons while it's easy access, and then I will mount this one. Well, no, I won't. I will actually put the boat. The light is weird. I will put the boat varnish on the underside, then mount it, and then put the boat varnish on the top side. So I'm back in the apartment, and now that you've seen the episode, you saw that I did voiceovers, and that's because there was a lot of music going on in the garage, and I don't want to end up in some copyright problem. But the session in the garage was successful, so I now have a workbench, and it's protected with both varnish. I think I might do a second coat. Initially I wanted to run screws through it into the construction, but that would not look so nice, so I think I would get smaller screws and smaller brackets and just fix it on the underside. I think that would be enough. But so now I can do more work in my spot. So thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Stay safe, and I will see you in the next episode. Take care. Bye bye.